The SK utility cart comes in at $99.99 and is available on Amazon. The box I have is the 3-drawer, which comes in at $189.99. I will leave links to both the cart and this box in the description. The cart base is made from a hard plastic that appears to be sturdy and has a nice texture. On the bottom side, there is a metal welded frame that the plastic rests on. The cart comes with 4 wheels. 2 wheels are lockable and 2 are regular. The wheels are installed by screwing in the threaded rod to the base. I forgot to mention, SK includes a small wrench to tighten the wheels. Here's a quick demonstration on how the wheels roll. You install the drawer to the cart by simply engaging the 2 locking mechanisms on each side. You remove the drawer from the base by pulling horizontally on each locking mechanism and lifting up. The drawer is lockable and comes with 2 keys. Unlocking is smooth. All 3 drawers come in with this nice anti-slip drawer liner. The drawers include soft close drawer slides that work well. The drawers measure at 16.5 by 12.8 by 2.5 inches. The drawers are deep enough to accommodate standard tool foam sizes that include 2 1/4 or 1 1/8. Here is a longer demonstration showing the cart unit. I am able to easily manipulate the cart and move it into a tight space.